In an effort to find budget-friendly tools for DIY projects, I recently stumbled across this 45-piece Metabo HPT bit set on clearance at Lowe's. I believe it was $12.48. So this is probably a good time to open it up. I see what's inside. All right, here we go. There's the case. Seems like pretty good quality. Got a little slide lock there. The bits seem to be held in there nice and tight. But let's see how they perform. You know, normally when we're testing new bits out, we go to the trusty DeWalt DCF 787. But tonight, let's use an underrated brand that's often less expensive than DeWalt. We're going to use the Metabo HPT. This is the triple hammer, not the bolt. And I believe it's Gen 1 because all the speed controls are on the side here instead of in the front. But we do have a fully charged 2.5 amp multi-volt battery. The reason I say this is often less expensive than DeWalt, this triple hammer impact driver with 2 batteries, a charger, and a hard case was on clearance for $70 at Lowe's. You could often pick up Metabo HPT for really good prices. This does not have a quick insert collet, so we're going to use this magnetic bit holder. We're going to start with the dreaded number 2 Phillips. At any time you're using the impact driver, you should be wearing hearing protection. We've drilled 5 pilot holes, 7/64. So right now, we've got it in speed 3. We may drop it down. Well, let's get started on the Phillips. It fits the head of the screw pretty well. But let's see how it drives. It did very well. Let's try a few without a pilot hole. One more. We'll move it right here. Flawless. Absolutely flawless. And the only real wear is the black coating. And the magnet seems to be all right too. All right, let's try some T25 screws. Again, the fit is pretty decent, but let's see how they drive. 7/64 pilot holes. Now let's try some with no pilot hole. Again, flawless. A little bit of the black worn off, and that's it. We have some of these structural screws. Well, let's test out the nut driver. We'll take this magnetic holder off. There we are. With a 4-inch structural screw. We'll go no pilot hole. These screws take a minute to grab because the flutes don't go all the way to the tip. Look at that. Well, there you go. Those are probably the 3 main bits you'd be using out of this set, and they all work flawlessly. I'd say they're well worth your money if you can find them on clearance. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.